Welcome, I'm following an ALCATEL U5 HD, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, all you really need to do is pull down the notification panel, find the battery icon, click on it, and from here check the battery saver, and you're done. Power saving mode is now enabled. Now you can define that it is in power saving mode based on this massive red status bar right now. And also if you look at the battery itself, it has a tiny little plus on it. So going back to it, if you want to disable it, all you need to do is now go back and simply toggle it off, and there we go. Now the battery is back to normal. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.